Hey guys, welcome to the instructional video for the shin and calf release fascial maneuver. So for this one, we're actually going to be seated. We're going to start off with our right leg. And what I want you to do is interlace your fingers like this and take your hands on the top of your right shin. Take the fascia and the skin and pull it up towards your knee. Lift your leg up to bring a little bit of stretch. Pull in your spinal pelvic lock. Breathe deep through the mouth and make some circles with the ankle. Good. Breathing into the mouth. Nice deep breaths. Let's switch directions. You can move your leg in different positions. You can alternate directions. You can plantar flex and dorsiflex. Whatever feels good. Good, relax. Now on the right leg again, take those hands, interlace the fingers again. This time placing it on the calf. Anywhere is fine. Take this fascia and the skin, pull up towards the back of the knee and stretch that leg out. Okay, spinal pelvic lock in, breathe through the mouth. Make some circles. Again, you can move the leg in a different position. You can flex and extend the ankle. Just move slow and continue to breathe. Good, relax. Okay, let's do the left side. Interlace those fingers. On top of the left shin, take the fascia and the skin, pull it up towards the knee, extend the leg a little bit, pelvic lock in, breathe through the mouth. Good, nice big circles. Okay, switch directions. Again, feel free to play around with the foot position, play around with the breath, play around where you're grabbing on the shin and pinning. Okay, relax. Interlacing the fingers on the left again. On the calf, take the fascia and the skin, pull it up towards the back of the knee, stretch that leg out, pelvic lock in, and start your breathing. Good, moving the leg around a bit if you want. Good, changing up the movement of the foot. I'm gonna flex and extend. Good, and relax. Awesome. Go take yourself for a walk to integrate the shin and calf release.